Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We just had our very first open house yesterday. I was not here. I don't think most realtors want the owner seller to be present, but I thought it would be fun to make an MTV Styles Cribs YouTube video walkthrough. I don't think the younger generation even knows what that is, but let's head inside. I really like our number lock there because the realtor or anyone can come as they please if they know the code. I'm gonna take the shoes off because we are an Asian household. Let's turn on the lights. We got a couple of storage closets in here, stuff we still need to slowly move out. I'm gonna try to film this in one take, unedited. This is a hall tree shoe bench that I built. It's one of the better looking pieces. Some of the stuff I made are not very aesthetically pleasing. Sink, dishwasher. We got coffee here. Gonna get a quick drink. Oh, that's good Costco coffee. I really like this KitchenAid fridge that we bought, but gonna leave that for the new owners because we don't have space at my parents' for a second refrigerator. This is an IKEA cabinet. The teal paint is the same as the Adirondack chairs we'll go look at in a little bit. I put on a butcher block and some caster wheels to be able to move and put it in the middle if we need a kitchen island. Standard microwave and stove. Leftover water and flyers from the open house. Living room. I've actually never used the fireplace. Been here 5 years and I don't think I've ever used that. So next house, probably no fireplace. The living room is pretty big. I canceled our abode alarm because we're gonna sell the house soon. Google Nest still works perfectly fine. Down the hall here, the first room is my office. I film a lot of YouTube videos in here, do a lot of editing, Twitch stream. I took off the closet doors just for easier access to all the stuff. The furnace here is original. All the ducting I didn't mess with. All I did was had someone put in air conditioning for us. Carbon monoxide detector. The wife is still sleeping, so I'll show that room in the outro after she wakes up. Her office is over here, still using it as storage for my bike. I really need to sell that. This is the only room that still has closets. All the rooms have a light and fan, some storage in the hallway area. Bathroom number 1 is where I film a lot of skincare YouTube videos. I'll put the tripod over here and our toilet shower bath combo. I think I have a video on putting that up. I have a video patching this with some screen mend, moving to master. This is so exciting. This room took a long time to finally finish. No closet door still, no bathroom door. So we're gonna make sure the future buyers know what they're getting themselves into. I really like these mirrors here to change color. Gonna miss this place. Yeah, a little sad. We spent a lot of time and energy fixing the bathroom and didn't get to use it for too long, but it is time to sell and we are gonna buy a new place. But for now, gonna, say goodbye. I think we're all done in here. I actually really like that glass door. It looks really nice. Turn these lights off. Gonna save some electricity and trying to think if I want to say anything else for the interior before we head outside. Let's put on our Birkenstocks and go out through the garage. I'm gonna get another drink of, that's really good Costco coffee. I love my Costco. Okay, bunch of tools. This is everything I want to keep, so I'm gonna take those with me. We're leaving these for whoever's coming next. I thought it was really helpful when the previous owner left half of this. The other half I slowly added for all the YouTube videos I've made. There's definitely a lot of videos on these washers and dryer. Also leaving these because no space at the parents. We ski a lot, got a bunch of skis. The wife drives a cross trek. This is not by design. I have an Outback and we are a Subaru family. She had this before we started dating, but we both really enjoy skiing, and I think it's common for people that like the outdoors to end up getting a Subaru. I cleaned up the garage a little bit because I was kind of nervous. I didn't know what to expect for the open house, and I was talking to the realtor. I'm like, are you sure it's okay to have all the stuff here? And she's like, it looks pretty neat. So I'm glad people, I don't know, I don't think people cared that much. But let's go to the front here. This is the front yard. We were supposed to get grass, but it's too hot in Southern California. Here's my tripod that I was filming with earlier. All the new copper plumbing. They added some sprinklers. Gonna start working our way to the back. I don't film here too often because there's not much going on. Let's see what we have. Oh, they still have some of their stuff because this is not mine. And I don't think those are mine either. I still have to figure out how to get rid of those pieces of tree. I wanted to make future woodworking projects with it. Just never got around to it. I need to get rid of this fire ring, unless somebody wants it. The Adirondack chairs, surprisingly comfortable. And then we're pretty much done. I had two 300-gallon IBC totes here gathering rain. I still have these over here, 55 gallons. Still need to cut up those rain gutters and throw away. Trash cans I store on this side of the house. But that is pretty much it. We like small houses like this. I don't see us getting anything bigger. I'm trying to think of if there's anything else I want to say. I don't think so. Rex Krueger, he started all this off. I bought the house and started building his workbench, started the YouTube. This is where it all started. Video 378 done.